Hello teachers, today I'm going to show you how to get started using Screencastify. Screencastify is a web-based app. It's a website essentially, but it'll allow you to record your screen. So whatever's on your screen you can record, much like you see on my screen right now. And you can also narrate whatever's going on your screen. So you could essentially give video lectures, save them, and then upload them to your Google Classroom or email them out to your students. You can also use a webcam feature so that it'll show your own face as well. It could just show your face if you want, or you can do both. It could show your screen and your face at the same time. But the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're using Google Chrome as your web browser, like I am here. And then you want to go to the Chrome Web Store. So if you could just type in Google Chrome Web Store, it'll come up. Go ahead and click on that. And this is just so that you can add Screencastify as your add-on. Then go ahead and type in Screencastify, and you'll see it come up here, right? It's Screencastify Screen Video Recorder. You're going to click on that. And then mine says remove from Chrome. Yours should say add to Chrome, unless it's already there. Now go ahead and add it, sign in if it asks you to sign in. They do offer free accounts. Their premium I think is $24, which if you like it is worth it. I have it as well. The not free account limits you to about 15 minutes of video, but you really don't need much longer than that because you could always upload a second video. So once you have that done, you should have the add-on up at the top of your toolbar here. And if it's not, you can put it up there. And then you could go ahead and click on it. Now, when you click on it, this drop down will appear and it'll ask a few things. Do you want to record your browser tab? So that just means whatever tab you're on, and the tabs are up here at the top. So like I have 3 different tabs open, well 4, including this one. It'll just record the one or the desktop. I usually do desktop because that means whatever you're going to do on your entire computer is going to be recorded. If you want it to be just your webcam only, and that's assuming your laptop has a webcam attached to it, you can hit that, but most of us are going to be recording our screen, so go ahead and hit desktop. You're going to choose whatever microphone you're going to use here. I have a couple different ones that I can choose from. Oops, I exited out, so I'll go back in. So I have a couple different microphones that I can use. Many of you are probably just going to use the default one and the only one that'll show up for you, which is the microphone embedded into your laptop. And then when you're ready, you're going to go ahead and hit record. And so you can see here, it asks to record the entire screen or just the application window. So I'm going to hit entire screen and I'm going to start sharing. It's going to have a countdown for you, and then it'll start recording your screen. Now this will be helpful because when you're recording your screen there, you could go to, let's say, a Google slide or even a Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can start narrating your lecture. So here's just an example of how to post assignments, right? And I could go through and I could talk about the do now. I could go and say step 1, and I could actually be narrating this while the slides are up there. That way when it's done and I'm done sharing it, I'm done sharing my screen, I can exit out and hit stop sharing down at the bottom, and it's going to create a video for me, and that video can be posted straight into Google Classroom. So as you can see here, it's telling me welcome to the video page. I'm going to skip the tour, but here's the video. This is exactly what I was recording to you guys. And I could go up at the top, I could name it. I'm going to name it test. And even at the bottom here on the right hand side, there's a couple different share options. You can get a code, you could share directly to Google Classroom, you can get a shareable link, and you could download it to your computer as well. So like if I were to hit share to Classroom, all my Google Classroom pages are going to show up. And I'm just going to click on whatever class that I want to share the video with, and it'll be posted right there, either as an assignment or as an announcement. Depends what I do. So I could hit choose class, and I have a bunch to choose from. Now I'm not going to do it, but that's essentially how you would use Screencastify. It is excellent if you need to do some video lectures that are no more than 15 minutes especially, and then you just go ahead and share that on Google Classroom. So this works great if you have some type of PowerPoint or some lecture slides that you want to go through while you're doing your virtual learning. So that is very briefly how to use Screencastify.